We often get asked, what makes local SEO different from SEO? Is it different? Yes, it is. As a matter of fact, there are several aspects of local SEO that make it unique. Without it, life would be a collective of missed opportunities, lost experiences, and overlooked chances to challenge one's spice tolerance with some amazing kimchi. The main difference lies with the geographic location of your business and your target audience. It simply allows people to discover businesses and service providers located in their local area, and it helps those local businesses rank in Google Local Pack, Google Maps, Google Search, and other search engines as well. So local SEO is like SEO's cousin, who knows all the hot spots in town and makes sure everyone else knows too. While SEO is busy making it big globally, local SEO is all about making your business shine in the local spotlight. Enter local SEO companies that offer holistic services that align with your growth goals and increase your profitability. Their services include crafting locally relevant content, managing reviews and citations, optimizing GBPs, local link building, and everything else in between.
When you have a local SEO provider, you definitely are able to stand out from the competition versus trying to do it yourself. With a local SEO provider, you have someone who's there working on trying to make sure that you continually rank higher and higher. And that's important as a business, to get found in Google, at the top especially.
When it comes to arranging local rankings, Google has a slightly different set of parameters, citing relevance, distance, and prominence as the key ingredients for cooking up apt results for info-hungry users. Relevance means how well a certain local business profile matches what a user is specifically searching for. Distance determines how far each potential search result is from the local term used in the search query. In case the location isn't present in the search term, Google calculates distance based on what it does know about your location. Sounds a little sus, but we'll talk about that some other time. Prominence refers to what information Google has about a certain place or business from the widespread web, links, articles, or directories. The kicker is, prominence deals with the popularity of places in the offline world and reflects that in local rankings. We know that local search exists in other search engines as well, but the majority of SEOs still prefer the big G over other platforms. And they do have their reasons for it.
Google definitely dominates local search. I personally don't trust Bing. That's because they use Yelp. And I don't trust Yelp. No business owner really trusts Yelp because they extort businesses. And there's actually a whole movie about it called $1 Billion Bully.
So now that we've established that local SEO works differently and has a different set of algorithms, we need to know what things matter the most while crafting a local SEO strategy. Before anything else, you need to set up a Google business profile. Your GBP can be the first interaction a customer has with your business, so make sure you have all the correct details on there. You might be wondering, what makes the perfect Google business profile?
One that is fully filled out, and that is almost impossible, depending on the business you have, right? Like if you're a restaurant, that's kind of hard because you can add menu items and your menu changes and stuff like that. If you're posting Google Posts at least once a week, you've got your main business information filled out, you're getting reviews on a regular basis. Those are like the core things. And then on top of that, you're adding more photos. You're updating business information with the products or services that you have. Obviously, you're responding to reviews. The posts are more so for, grabbing attention, getting people to either come to your store or check out your website. And it's also about, using it the right way.
Check out these Google documents that have step-by-step instructions to set up and manage your Google business profile. Also, add local business structured data to your site, so your Google business profile can display working hours, reviews, offers, menus. In addition, you can use the Maps Booking API to enable bookings, payments, and other such actions. You need a network of links, not only in real life, but also for effective local search. And that's where local citations and link building comes in, two distinct but related concepts. Local citation allows Google to verify your business details, improve local search visibility, and contribute to better rankings overall. It's like a shout out across the search from different places that go, yep, this business exists. It's here with a real address. You better not ignore it, Google. Note that these citations pop up over a range of different platforms like blog posts, social media mentions, local news and reviews sites, and online directories. For US-based companies, DataAxle, Newstar Localese, Foursquare are 3 map data aggregators that provide map data to Apple, Yelp, Bing, Google, TripAdvisor, and other platforms. And don't forget nap consistency. No, I'm not talking about those sweet short sleeps. I'm talking about name, address, and phone number. Make sure they're consistent and correct for every place, every location. And now let's focus on our all-time favorite topic, link building. In the local backdrop, it spreads the word across the search that a business is trustworthy and authoritative, along with other perks like maximum reach, better visibility, high rankings, user interaction signals, and getting that sweet link juice.
With local SEO, you definitely want local links. Obviously there's the local citation, local business profile links, such as nextdoor.com. There's also, if you can get links from other companies that are, in your industry or in your niche that are local to you, that's super powerful. So say you're a local plumber and you guest blog post on a local HVAC site talking about, in Austin, how if there's a freeze that's coming, how to properly insulate your pipes so that they don't break, right? That's something that a plumber could guest blog post on an HVAC site. It's relevant in terms of industry and it's local. It's about Austin and both companies are in Austin. That would be a super powerful local link for guest blog posting.
There are multiple ways to build your authentic local link building profile. Crafting high-end link-worthy pieces on your site that effortlessly end up getting premium quality links. Submitting guest posts on relevant websites, as Chris just mentioned. Contributing to roundup posts. And getting featured on local news sites and spaces. While both strategies aim to enhance your online presence, local citations focus more on local SEO, whereas link building has a broader impact on your website's general SEO. There must be uncountable times you've read reviews on Google before making a decision or making a purchase. Because it matters to us what people say about people we're about to buy products or take services from. According to Google, Google review count and review score factor into local search ranking. More reviews and positive ratings can improve your business's local ranking. So you should prioritize getting more reviews, and here are some ways you can do that. Sending an email survey, asking happy customers to leave feedback, including a link to your Google Business profile on your website, including a link to your Google Business profile in customer emails. And when asking customers to leave a review, make them feel like it matters, because, it does.
In terms of acquiring reviews, people like to work with people, and people will do things for other people. Kind of, instead of saying, hey, it'd be great if you left us a review here at direction.com, you're kind of generalizing who they're doing it for. But if you specify, hey, this is for me, it's going to help me, that's really where we've seen, especially with our customers, when they're kind of passing that down to their team and their team is saying, hey, would you do this for me? Would you leave a review for me? Then they also go on there and that review looks a lot more real because they're saying, hey, John was super helpful when he came out to give me an estimate on my roof, versus like, hey, ABC Roofing Company did a great job on my roof, right? Because that also could look like maybe they got a review and it's not legit or it's not genuine, whereas when you're actually using someone's name, we found that to be really powerful.
To maximize your local SEO effort, it's important that you keep all your socials upbeat, fresh, and at all times engaging. Keep posting posts that interrupt scrolling, boost posts that offer offers, and engage your audience whenever you see the opportunity. Deliver a brand experience that's not possible to deliver on other channels. And since socials seem to be getting bigger every day, so should your engagements.
If you're constantly publishing to social media, but you're not responding once somebody comments on that post or anything like that, at the end of the day, it's not going to help. Putting out content regularly, that's always a good thing. Google likes to see it. Customers like to see it. You're an active business. You're actively trying to help and put out great information. But if you stop, that can hurt you. Google can be like, well, what happened to this company? They just stopped putting out information. Or people can be like, well, are they, like it says they're in business, but they're not really putting out anything else. So it really depends on being consistent and utilization of the system you're using to best connect with customers.
In times when businesses are burdened by competition and attention has turned into a resource with only a limited supply, you shouldn't forget to prioritize your audience, your existing and potential customers. The boatload of your conversions will come from genuine interactions you make online. Answer their queries about your product or service. Relieve their concerns, give them reassurance, listen to them talk about their pets. Just be there for them.
I like to always circle back to people first. One tactic that I've seen work really well that I was really surprised by actually when I stumbled upon a site, and in the chat feature, I could instantly start a Google Meet or a Zoom call with a live person and ask them questions, and I did it. Yeah, I was very impressed, and started talking to some of my clients about it, saying, hey, I think we should totally look at this in terms of increasing conversions on the site. And we're seeing really good results. Instead of just having a chat feature where you don't know who's on the other end of that chat, being able to start an immediate Google Meet or Zoom call with somebody, that kind of helps you stand out from the competition.
We'd like to thank Chris for taking the time to discuss local SEO with us. It truly was a pleasure. And thank you for sticking around. I hope you found it insightful. Like, subscribe, notification bell. See you. Increase your possibility. I don't know this line. Cut.